Hi guys, this is Alex, and in this video you are going to see Lawrence's arrival in Rio and his first impressions of the city. We were hosted by my darling friend Marcelo, and that is how I met him a long time ago. I was friends with Ana. Ana was friends with Anaí, so I became friends with Anaí. So we were all friends. Then Anaí moved to Rio and met Marcelo, and they got together, so I became friends with Marcelo. Then they split up, but our friendship remained. And now he's going to meet my lovely husband, Lawrence, and we will have a great time for a few days.
O cara tem recurso pra muita música.
We're in Rio, baby!
Woohoo!
We made it, we're here.
Yes.
Yes. And I'll give you a shot all the way around. What was that?
It's at Terra do Flamengo. We are right now. And Lawrence has brought the British weather with him.
Yeah, sorry about that. It's my fault. Wow, that's a takeoff.
You think you are going into the sea.
Oh,
actually.
I did, yeah. It's quite scary.
It's really cool.
So I can't believe we're here. We're going to take a little walk around. We'll show you the sights. We're in Rio for about a week, and then we're going to move on to
Belo Horizonte.
Belo Horizonte, and then from there to Pimenta for Christmas.
Yes.
So we'll keep you informed. There's no teeny tiny bikinis because it's a bit cold today.
It's not cold.
Oh no, it's not cold. It's very humid.
I'm sweating
25
like
degrees.
a PIG.
But it's pretty good. Can't believe I'm here on a beach in Rio.
Beautiful city. It's a beautiful city.
So where are we?
Even at Terra do Flamengo, we are. Yeah, it's cold. It's a man-made space. When we are standing right now was sea back in the day. So yeah, we put lots of dirt in it, and then it was landscaped, and yeah, they built it, and it's nice.
And what's that over there?
That is the bondinho. You can, yeah, it's a cable car that you can go up and down and have a very nice view of the city. But today's a bit cloudy, so but you can see it's working. People are going. I think 2 days from now it's gonna be sunny, so maybe we do that.
So now we're just going to walk down into
Botafogo
Botafogo.
to have a drink. Yeah.
Bit of lunch maybe.
Yeah, bit of lunch. Coconut water.
Yeah. Fruit, veg, stuff. If you can see something fluffy and cool.
It's the microphone.
The microphone's wind thing.
Yeah.
A little mouse on the end of the microphone.
Amateur vloggers.
But we're getting there. More confident as we go. Ooh, there. Ooh. It's wet.
Yeah. And people are coming. They come here. The locals, they come here to exercise and or just to contemplate the sea.
But Rio is massive. Obviously, we're not going to be able to show you all of it, but I don't know if you can see over there.
Yeah.
That's Rio, and it goes all the way around, all the way around, all the way behind us, and just carries on. Huge city.
Yeah. I think it's 8 million, almost 9 million people. The population is quite big.
Quite big.
That's it.
For now. Talk to you later.
coming out. Woohoo!
Nobody wants to see that. Nobody wants to see that. Well, you can just about see it through the clouds, but the most famous landmark in Rio is barbecue.
Like we are smelling barbecue.
Speak for yourself. I don't smell like barbecue.
The smell of barbecue. Don't mock my English.
Inglese. To marry a Brazilian get here for a minute. Right, I've just seen something in the water, poking its head up a couple of times, and my wife's like, oh, it's probably just a turtle. Just a turtle. It's like, we don't get turtles in Europe, you know? It's quite important for me. It's, well, I think it's over there now. Just this head just keeps popping up every now and again. And I haven't seen a turtle in real life before. You know, I've seen them in aquariums and stuff like that, but not out here in the wild. It's all new for me. Well, one of the most iconic places in Rio. Sorry about the traffic here. It's yeah, it's really quite bad. You probably can't hear what I'm saying much, but is the Cristo, the statue of Christ. Now he's up there behind me somewhere. I don't know if you can see. I'm pointing in the wrong place probably. But he's been a bit shy today, which is a bit of a shame.
Everyone stays happy, always smiling.
Apart from when your stuff gets stolen.
That's not going to happen.
Yeah, don't know how much of this you'll be getting because of this traffic noise, but hopefully it's not too bad. Ciao.
It's not a picture.